How are you all? Good morning. Now welcome to English class once again. Today we are going to revise the chapter The Four Dragons. First I will summarize the chapter for you. I will tell you the story of the chapter in short, and then we will revise word meanings, question answers and all the exercises of this chapter. So let's start our chapter The Four Dragons. Students, you have read that this is a Chinese folk tale. This is a part of Chinese folk tale. So the four dragons were there who were playing. Where they were playing? Above the eastern sea. Above the eastern sea means in the sky they were playing hide and seek game. Now one of the dragons stopped. Why? Because he heard some voice from the earth. What were the people on earth doing? They were praying for the rain. They were hungry and they were dying of hunger. And the land was, how the land was? It was dried up. The land was dried up. There were no crops and the people were not having anything to eat. So the people were praying to God to send some rain. Now the four dragons, they stopped playing and they looked towards the earth and they observed that people are praying for the rain. They are hungry. So the four dragons, they went to Jade Emperor. They went to Heavenly Palace to meet Jade Emperor. Now Jade Emperor at that time was busy in listening to the fairies' music and he was not pleased to see the dragons. But he promised that, okay, you go now, I will send some rain tomorrow. But 10 days passed, but there was no rain on the earth. So the four dragons, they got an idea. They looked towards the sea and they saw that so much water is there. So what they have planned, they scooped the water from the sea and sprayed it towards the earth. And the water, it fell on the earth like rain. The people were hungry, the people were very happy. The hungry people were happy because the land was green now. And the sea god became very angry. Why? Because the dragons did not take permission from the sea god. So the sea god, he went to the Jade Emperor to complain about the dragons, that dragons have taken his water without his permission. The Jade Emperor called all the dragons and he punished them. Now what was the punishment? He punished them that you all will be trapped on the earth for the whole life. Now the dragons were happy listening to this punishment because they thought that now they will be able to help the people. And the dragons, they turned themselves into river to give water to the people. And they lived happily for the rest of their life by turning themselves into rivers, and the people were also happy and the dragons were also happy. So this was the episode which was taken from the Chinese folk tale. Now students, let's revise word meanings. Now you can pause your video here. I have written in 10 points the summary of whole chapter. So you can revise it if you want. I am going to rub this, students. So next we will revise word meanings of this chapter. So if you have written somewhere, you can open it, students, and those who have not done in detail, you can refer to the previous video also, the four dragons, where in detail I have done all the exercises. Explanation of the chapter is done there. Okay. So next we will revise word meanings. Now there are not much word meanings given in your chapter. First is withering. Withering means, first is withering. W-I-T-H-E-R-I-N-G. Withering. Withering means drying up. Drying up. Next, second is scoop. Scoop means pick up and move. Scoop, pick up and move. Now third is spray. 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 Spray means to scatter something with great force. To scatter something with great force. To scatter something with great force. Now these three word meanings are there in this chapter, students. Withering. Withering means drying up. Scoop. Scoop means pick up and move. And then spray. Spray means to scatter something with great force. Now next we will revise question answers of this chapter. So first question is, next I am putting the heading question answers. So first answer is, what is the question? What were the people on earth doing? The question is, what were the people on earth doing and why? So the first part of the question is, what were the people on earth doing? Students, here I am writing answer in shorts. Okay, so the people on earth, what they were doing? They were praying for rain. They were praying for rain. What were the people on earth doing? The people on earth were praying for rain. Now next part of the question is why? Why? Because their crops were dried up. So the second part of this is because their crops were dried up. Because their crops were dried up. Now next is answer 2. Answer 2 is, why did the dragons go to see the Jade Emperor? Dragons, why did they go to see the Jade Emperor? To see means here to meet the Jade Emperor. They went to meet Jade Emperor to request him to send some rain on earth. So the dragons went to Jade Emperor. The dragons went to Jade Emperor. Jade Emperor to request. The dragons went to Jade Emperor to request him to send some rain on earth. To send some rain on earth. Now next, answer 3 is, how did the dragons help the people on earth? How did the dragons help? The dragons, they scooped seawater and sprayed it towards the sky, and it fell on the earth like rain. So write down the answer. How did the dragons help the people on earth? So the dragons, what do they do? The dragons scooped seawater. The dragons scooped seawater and sprayed it towards the sky, and this water, it fell on earth like raindrops. It fell on earth like raindrops. It fell on earth like raindrops. Now next is, students, who punished the dragons and why? Who punished the dragons? To write the answer, I am going to rub the word meanings. So word meanings I am rubbing students to write next answer. These answers I am writing in short. Okay students. So next is question 4. Who punished the dragons and why? Who punished the dragons? Jade Emperor. So full answer will be Jade Emperor punished the dragons. Jade Emperor punished the dragons. Jade Emperor punished the dragons. Now next part of the answer is, next question is why. So why he punished the dragons? Because they helped the people on earth without his permission. So Jade Emperor punished the dragons. So why is there? So what will be the answer of why? Because they is for dragon. They helped the people on earth. They helped the people on earth without his permission. Without his permission. So this was the answer of question 4. Next is 5. How did the dragons continue to help the people on earth? So answer 5 is, the dragons turned themselves into rivers. The dragons turned themselves into rivers. The dragons turned themselves into rivers. Why? To help the people on earth. The dragon turned themselves into rivers to help the people on earth. So these are the question answers which we have revised. Students, now next exercise which we are going to revise is, 3 pictures are there. One is of Jade Emperor, one is of dragon, and the third is of people on earth. So I am rubbing these question answers, students, to write the next exercise. Next exercise is, you have to tell the characters of these 3 pictures. So first picture is of Jade Emperor, and few words are given in the box. You have to select the suitable character for these pictures. So first is Emperor. How was Emperor? First is Emperor. So how was Emperor? Emperor was selfish. Emperor was selfish, then unkind, and then third, he was angry. He was angry. So the emperor was selfish, unkind, and angry. Next picture is of dragons. So how were dragons? Dragons were fearless. Dragons were fearless, and then they were very much, you can choose the word, helpful, and then they were also scared when they were called for punishment. So they were fearless, they were helpful, and they were scared also at the same time. Now next is people. How were the people? The people, they were hungry. The people were hungry, and they were grateful. Grateful to whom? Grateful to dragons. The people were grateful, grateful to dragons. These are characters of these three people. So students, now next is these adjectives suits to this emperor: selfish, unkind, angry, and to dragon. Three adjectives which suits in both: fearless, helpful, scared, and then people, how they were hungry and grateful. So next is students, synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, the words which have same meaning, and antonyms, opposite words. So first is angry and miffed. They are synonym, same meaning. Then scared and terrified, same meaning, synonym. And then kind and cruel, opposites they are. So write A, antonym. Then upset and happy, antonym. And then notice and ignore, it is also antonym. And then fearless and cowardly, this is also antonym. And then distracted and attentive, antonym. Hungry and starved, they are synonyms, same meaning. And then request and plead, synonym, same meaning. Scoop and spray, they are antonyms. And punish and reward, antonym. And then old and aged, these are synonyms. Now students, next exercise is given on page number 60. So next is page number 60. You have to write the sentence in present continuous and past continuous. Now first is it is raining. So first is it is raining. It is raining. So students, which tense it is? This is present continuous tense. Why present continuous tense? Because subject is there, then plus is, am, and are. So here is used, and then verb, subject is, am, are, and then verb plus ing. So subject is, am, are is there, plus verb plus ing. So here students see it is subject, then from is, am, are is used here, and then raining verb here is rain, and plus ing is used. So this is which tense? This is present continuous tense. Which tense it is? Present continuous tense. Okay students, so how will you identify present continuous tense? Where subject is there, is, am, are, anything out of is, am, are is there, any helping verb, and then verb plus ing. So it is present continuous tense. Now next is the people were dying. Next sentence is the people were dying. The people were dying of hunger. The people were dying of hunger. So students, which tense it is? So let's see the formation of, this is past continuous tense. This is past continuous tense. So let's see the formation of past continuous tense. Subject will be there, and then was, and then was or verb will be there, and then was or verb will be there, and then again verb plus ing. So here students, subject is the people, and then from was verb is here used verb, and then dying, die is verb and plus ing. So students, this is past continuous tense. The people were dying of hunger. Past continuous tense, present continuous. It is raining. Why present continuous? Is, am, are plus verb plus ing. And here was verb plus verb plus ing. Now next is students, last exercise, my word bank. You have to complete these words from the story. So I will rub this, okay, to do the last exercise of this chapter. So next is students, My word bank. Now, after watching this revision video, you have to learn all the word meanings, question answers and exercises which are given in this chapter and practice it in writing. Now, next, complete these words. You have to complete them from the story. This is my word bank. My word bank. What are the words which you have learned from this story? So first is tomorrow. Tomorrow. Double R will be there. This is the spelling of tomorrow. And then second is emperor. 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 Third is rain drops. Rain drops. And then fourth word is withering. 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 And then fifth is mountain. 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 So these are the words which are given in my word bank. So blank is there. You have to complete these words which are given on page number 62. So that's all, students. In this video we have revised word meanings, question answers and all the exercises of chapter The Four Dragons. Students, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First like, then comment on it and share with your friends also. So that's all for today, students. Have a good day. Bye bye.